Good morning, students. As you know, we have already started chapter 1, that is changing trends and career in physical education. So, today we will look for a new topic, that is career option in physical education. See, children, many of you may think that why should we choose physical education as a subject? Is there any career or not, right? So, many of you choose physical education just because you like to play. Am I right? So it's good that you like to play games because it's your growing age and doing physical activity and games are helpful to growth and development. But there are many careers option also in the field of physical education. Okay, if anybody like to play games and interested in the field of physical education, they should go for it. Okay, mainly there are two types of career option in the field of physical education. First one is traditional career and another one is emerging career. So traditional career involves teaching and coaching careers, and emerging career involves like health related career, sports performance related career, media related career, okay, and many others also. So the first one is teaching career in physical education. Children, this career is usually considered to have many benefits. See, the teacher in the field of physical education commands deep respect among the students because they make a good contribution to society, right? That's why there are different level of teaching opportunity in the field of physical education, like elementary school. It includes first to fifth classes. Children, through physical education, the basic skill and attitude can be learned in this age, or we can say in this period, right? And children become creative and they grow in a holistic manner. Clear? Second one is middle school. Children, it includes 6th to 8th classes. They have separate syllabus, so the subject of physical education offer good opportunity in this section. Okay, and the third one is high school. Children, it is about ninth and 10th class, where the school appoints specialized teacher of physical education to teach theory and also take practical class. Okay, and they also prepare various team of sports for inter-school competition. As you see in our school also, every year we go for the zonals and all. Okay, and the fourth one is senior secondary school. Senior secondary means 11th and 12th classes, where physical education is an optional subject. So, for that, school engage special teacher of physical education to teach theory of subject, and also these teachers are required to maintain discipline in the schools. Okay. Now, the fourth one is college and universities. Students, there are various professional courses in physical education, such as certificate courses, diploma courses, bachelor degrees, right? So, to teach these courses in college requires professors of physical education, and especially the preference is given to PhD holders, okay? And at the college level, preparation of various team of sports is also an associate job, okay? Next one is coaching career. Children, coaching is a traditional career in the field of physical education. There are many coaching opportunity in school, colleges and universities, right? And number of job opportunities are also available in state sports department and SAI, that is Sports Authority of India, and also with professional teams, commercial sports club and government sectors, okay? So, coaches are required to conduct practice the competition and to coach during the matches so the maximum level of performance can be achieved. Okay. And the other career option is health related career. Children, nowadays people have become more health conscious, right? And the number of health and weight control clubs has increased nowadays, right? That's why health related career opportunity in the field of physical education has expanded in recent year. And physical educator can find ample job opportunities in such health and weight control clubs and slimming centers and fitness club. Clear? Now the another career option is administration related career. Children, there is a need of trained individual in sports management, right? And now the administration related career opportunities are available in the various fields like sports administration, management of sports club, and sports marketing and many others. Okay, So the career related to administration in physical education are as written here. So the first one is Department of Physical Education. In the college and university, the administration lies in the hand of chairman or head, right? And the senior teachers of the department usually act as the chairman. So this job typically based on the seniority, okay? And the second one is sports department. There is a lot job opportunity are related to administration in the sports department, like the post of director of sports exist in all universities. Am I right? And the director of sports must be knowledgeable regarding the rules and regulation of sports competition. Okay, and their job are fixing date of competition, arranging officials, and planning for other things. Clear? Now the third one is industrial recreation. Children, present time, most of the MNCs, I mean multinational companies, are providing recreation and sports opportunity for their employees because they know healthy and fit employees usually have more capacity to do work, right? That's why these company needs qualified professionals to direct these sports activity. Okay. Now the next one is sports facilities management. There are always a number of people in organization who want to have sports facilities like gymnasium, sports club, and health club, fitness center, sports complex, right? So in such fields, facilities manager are required. They perform all the responsibilities as manager, and we can say as a trainer, right? Now, the other career option is performance related career. So, as we know, we all means those who like to play the games, they all want to become a good player, right? So, the first one is as a player. Most of the sports person participate in various games and sports in different level, like district level, state level, national level, international level, Olympic level, right? So, only highly skilled performers get the job opportunity for the longer time. Clear? And the second one is as official. So conducting sports tournament and competition is the job of official. It is also a good career related to sports and games. Clear? Now the next one is career in communication media. Children, communication media is related to television, radios, newspaper, magazine. Okay. And many career opportunities in sports communication are written here, like first one is sports journalist. Those physical educator who have talent for writing, they can choose a career in sports journalism. Okay. And another one is sports photography. It is also a career which can be pursued by a physical educator. Okay. And talent in photography is essential for choosing such a career. Now the third one is book publishing. See children, publisher of book on sports should be knowledgeable about the field of physical education. Okay. And this type of job require a knowledge of sports, writing, and editorial skills. Okay. Now, the another one is sports broadcasting. It has become a popular career nowadays. Those who are interested in the field, they need to be knowledgeable about the skill, techniques, and rule of the game. Okay, this makes you to relate the information to the public in simple term. Okay. Now the another one is sports marketing. Children, actually, sports marketing is a subdivision of marketing which focus both on the promotion of sports event and team as well as promotion of other products and services through sporting event and sports teams. Okay. Now the last one is sports industry. See children, career are also available in sports industry. It may be related to t-shirt and track suits or sports footwear. So for this, a person need to be knowledgeable about the physical education and sports. Okay. Children, many career options we have discussed in this chapter, right? But still there are many career in this field which can be created, such as sports biomechanics, sports medicine, sports nutrition, and many others. Okay. Thank you, children. I hope this topic is clear to all. And still, if you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.